Hello everyone, on to video 2 here in our 7 Rules of Life videos. And the second video is, be kind. You have the power to make people feel good. The first question I want you to think about is, does it take more effort to be mean or to be kind? And I would argue that it takes less effort to be kind than it does to actually be mean. So you might as well be kind to people, all right? The other thing I want you to remember is you have no idea what might be going on in that person's life. There might be a lot of things happening to that person, or a lot of difficulties that they're struggling with right now that are making them, go through a rough patch, and they're not going to be very accepting of you being mean to them. And again, it's not necessary. There's no need to be mean to anybody. So think about that when you're dealing with people. Think about a time where you've gone through a rough patch, and how other people interacted with you and how it was extra irritating when you were having a rough day. Because everybody has bad days. It happens. So again, let's do the opposite. Let's try and bring them up. Let's try and make them feel better. Think about that as well. Think about when you've had somebody make you feel good. Somebody have a compliment to you. Say something nice to you. Okay? How did that make you feel? Okay? The other thing is you might feel good yourself. If you made somebody else's day better, it's probably going to make your day better too. And, by the way, if you continue to make other people's days better, they're probably going to return that to you. Okay? And then now we've got this cycle of people being positive to each other and helping each other out and making our days better. And if we could continue to do that, just think of the impact that could have as a whole. Everybody having a better day because of the positive interaction with the next person. So remember that. Be kind. Let's make everybody feel good.